Gatorade, thirst quench. I just want to say, yo, these fucking Mission Gators, these shits definitely keep you cool, yo. It be so hot, yo. These shits definitely cool off your neck and your face when the sun beating down on you. Especially if you get it wet. You wet it before you put it on. This shit definitely works. So I definitely recommend doing something like this to keep your, especially on the rooftop, to keep yourself cool. But yeah, man, we out here. Yeah, the pipes are cool, but you can tell the heat definitely affected. Sweating over here. Yeah, definitely gotta be. What's going on, people? Alright, we're back at Hunts Point Market. Today the job, insulating these lines. As you can see over here, if you can't, the birds have been really fucking them shits up. But these lines was fucked up, so they had to take the shit off. So then we gotta put some more insulation on these lines. It's like 90 heat wave right now, 90 something degrees this week. So he's definitely obviously not getting the right temperatures we need for the refrigeration boxes. So we got the installation here, some more over here. So let's go. Let's get it. You know, every job is not complex and technical. Some jobs are simple or repetitive, but it needs to be done. It pays the bills, you know. So what we're doing is putting this glue on installation to hold it tight together. Try to keep as much coolness inside the pipe, not let it get hot from the elements, you know. Want to try to put it at the top of the insulation. Using this aerosol. And then once you do that, just want to press them together. When it's hot like this, it dries fast. So you kind of want to do it in little, you know, probably like sections. Don't try to glue the whole installation. It's got a long piece at one time. You might want to do it, you know, 2 feet or something like that. Then press it together. And it shit, you know, stick like this. The sun allows us to dry. Whew. A long day, huh? Now I'm only doing half of this today. Come back, do the rest. Let's go. Alright, so I took the motor out. She's frozen too, but she had a bracket broke. Bracket broke right here. So we gotta replace the bracket. And then obviously because it's frozen, the fan blades broke on both of these, so I gotta replace these two fans. And there's another bracket I gotta get as well. I just gotta get another ladder though, because as you see, I'm standing on fucking potato boxes and shit. And this shit's starting to defrost and melt, so it's not really sturdy now. Well, it's a job today, baby. Let's go. Alright, so I put a new bracket in here. See, a new bracket. You just gotta bolt it back to the box. Put the fan back on, new fan back on. We've already done the ones down here. So I put a new fan on this one. Got these still de-icing. Should be finishing up here soon. I'm out here changing these motors out. And the owner, look what the owner has in this shop. Nice, right? He has that shit. He has that. What's that, Corvette? And obviously had a Bentley over here too. Bentley. As you see, got the motor back running. Coming up here trying to get this fucking fan blade off, man. You can tell this shit's been taken off in fucking years. Made it again, man. On this lift, taking all these off. It's dark as hell. I'm fucking have oh man, let me do some bitch. Today we're installing this blower curtain. We're actually gonna have 5 to put up in this place. We're gonna do that one over by the door, like in September. But for right now, we're just gonna do the smaller doors on the side of this Cody's company in Hunts Point. Straight off the truck. So we got it hung. Got 2 of them hung. This one blower here. And then we got this blower here on the other side. So we got 2 more to hang in the front. Big ones though. Have to do that on a Saturday. Too busy today. Drain line's not draining, so we're trying to figure out why. Got it going on through all the pipes. The drain line, check and see if the shit's clogged. Like I said, can't be afraid of heights, man. It's up there. May not look it, it's up there. Today we are doing install in new construction. We've already put in the ductwork and the heating system. So I go in and do some more roughing. Still working out at this new construction site. It's gonna be 5-bedroom, 1 apartment downstairs. We got 4 handlers to push the air throughout this house. Still working on the piping. So this is like a 5-bedroom house. Actually gonna have separate apartments as well. So we have 2 air handlers over on this side, 2 air handlers over on this side of the house. We already ran the piping after we installed this air handler. We just ran the piping into it. So now we have to come over and do it over to this side. As you see, guys out laying the brick right now. Back in this new construction, installing this handler, connecting the exhaust and the air pipe. We ran all the way over to that wall over there, connecting it. Guys, if you putting piping, plastic PVC in bigger than, I'll say 2 inches or more, better make sure you have your purple on your pipes. That purple primer will not pass inspection. in New York, it will not pass inspection. Without them seeing that purple on the pipes. If I don't know what this does is it cleans the pipe. It's like an acid. It cleans the pipes and allows the glue to really stick to the pipe and hold it together. Man, I had to take this furnace a fucking 3 flights of stairs like this. Now I'm on the 3rd floor, and I have to take it up to the attic. It's a multi-family house, so I gotta do 2 of these. This is the first one, going in the attic. Then the other one's on the other side of the wall at the other apartment. And it's hot as fuck. I'm not complaining though. Let's go. Need some coffee today, baby. Need some coffee today. Alright, so today we installing this split system where we put up the panel for the hold the evaporator here. The condenser's going around the back. Alright, so we drilled the hole. Got the hole. Now it's about to hang the evaporator up on the wall. Put the pipes through. So we got the evaporator up. Got the hose, the suction line, and the liquid line coming through. We're gonna use a line set, connect them, bring it to the condenser. So I have to go. Obviously, this pad back here is not level. So I'm gonna find something to maybe get another pad and put up under this one to make it level back here. Put a condenser on it. And then we gotta connect the condenser communication line here that runs over to the evaporator to communicate to one another. Here we got the suction line. Got the suction and the refrigerant line here. So just gotta connect them lines over to the condenser, and man, we'll be all set. Got some of the line sets here. All set. It's hard to really get footage, guys, of the whole process because obviously, you know, I don't have no stand and I don't have like a mic. I mean, what you call it? Camera stand and tripod and shit to set up. Working. But yeah, should be. It's my second install of a split system, so it's good, you know. Keep on doing it, man. Make that shit become like second nature, you know, where you ain't do this shit with your eyes closed. That's what I want to get to. But yeah, hope you guys still enjoy. Alright guys, let's go. Alright, connected another line set to the evaporator's line. Now we're putting it in the duct. Alright, so we got the wire ran all the way down here. Got it in the inside the duct. Now we're just trying to get this part level a little bit. Then we'll put the pad down here. Put that on top of it. Alright, so we ran the lines. Got the condenser in place. Just pumped it on with some nitrogen on. Took it back. So now we're about to do the vacuum. Sorry I can't really show you guys as we actually do the stuff because I'm actually working. Hopefully it still gives you an idea. So now I'm about to do the vacuum and should be all good. You might hear the pickups on this 407A from the warehouse, the supply shop. We wanted 25 of these bad boys. We only had 8. There's big room for this shit. How you got a gun in this truck?
Our warehouse had 2 left, and they just got rid of them. So, but there's 3 more on order. When they come in, I don't know. My buddy here told me that there's one in the country someplace.
There's more than there's one in our region. It's in the Baltimore branch.
Yeah.
They pull from 800, 56. We can ship it UPS from the California.
Yeah, they've been sitting on it. So, my chance, hey, you know, Mary, I just signed your name.
Okay, cool.
Okay, Mary?
All right, thank you, Willis. Have a good day.
You got it.
All right. All right, today we're at this residence out Westchester. I moved this condenser unit, HVAC condenser unit, from this side over to this side. So this is right now it's on another person's back porch. So they moved it over here because they just put down a new deck, so they moved it over here for the time being. So now we're gonna move it back over here. So that's the job today. So we're gonna have to cut the line and we'll do the suction line and also the gas line. Alright, so we move it, right? So we cut the pipes, cut the liquid line, suction line off. Move it over here, take the AC whip out, move it over here. And now we have to basically braze a new piping back into it. Braze this side, then braze it back into the suction and the liquid line over here. Reattach the AC whip. It'll be all good. We got a great view right here on the back porch, right? Alright, so we've connected suction and the liquid lines, soldered it together, and it's got connected. This goes in there. This is a shithole. So you want to be an HVAC tech. Alright, so remove the old system here. Cut the refrigerant lines off. Suction line off. This is the new system we're putting in place. It's old condenser, but hope it still runs. You just gotta connect these back. Hopefully this shit around. Let's see.